Mornings call for something warm, wholesome and packed with nutrition. So today I'm going to be using a seasonal veggie and making mooli ke patte ke parathe. So radish is in season. I'm going to be using white radish or mooli. I'm just going to be taking 2 of these moolies, but I'm going to be taking leaves of at least 8 to 10 moolies. So what you need to do is you just need to break it, wash all these leaves thoroughly, and then we're going to start chopping them. I have 2 small grated radish here. Into this, add in some salt, mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Finally, chop the leaves and the stalk of the radish. In this way, chop up all the leaves. Let's squeeze out all the water from this radish and make sure that you do not get rid of the water because we're going to use this same thing for making the dough. All the prep is done. And now, let's start sauteing a few ingredients to make the filling. For which, in a pan, I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Carom Seeds. This also aids in digestion and is a good combination with radish. Next, add in a paste of 5 green chilies, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger. Saute these ingredients for a few seconds. Next, add in the grated mooli and the leaves. Stir fry this on high flame for a minute. Let's add in the spices. I have half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon of Cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of black salt, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. This will absorb all the moisture from the leaves. Add in a little bit of salt and turn off the flame. The mixture is ready. Remove it from the hot pan and let it cool down completely. While the mixture is cooling down, let's quickly make the dough, for which I've taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Into that, I'm going to add in some salt. Add in a teaspoon of oil. Add in the water that we drained from the radish. Mix all these ingredients together. Add some more normal water and make a soft dough. Put a little bit of water so that it doesn't dry out. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, knead the dough slightly. For each paratha, I need 2 small rotis. Make a ball. Dust the board and the dough with some dry flour and roll it into a round roti. Let's keep this aside. Let's make another one. The second roti is ready as well. And now place around 2 tablespoons of stuffing. Spread it evenly. Place the other roti and pinch the ends to seal the paratha. Roll slightly. Cut the excess dough on the sides with some steel lid. I like to roast these parathas in mustard oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Press the sides slightly to cook them. This paratha is ready. Remove it on a plate. In this way, let's make another one. Our super tasty and nutritious Mooli Leaves parathas are ready. Serve this with some achar, curd or just some green chutney and enjoy. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.